Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bank of America Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bankofamerica.com/mortgage and press enter. You will now be taken into the mortgage site for Bank of America right away. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will now open up the login portal. Go ahead and type in your user ID that you have created while signing up for your account within the user ID box and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Bank of America mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot ID or Password button underneath the login box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Bank of America Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.